Welcome to this tutorial on the derivation of shape functions for the Q4 element, one of the fundamental building blocks in finite element analysis. If you are working with 2D problems in structural mechanics, heat transfer, or continuum analysis, the understanding how Q4 elements interpolate field variables is essential. In this video, we will start from the basics, exploring the geometry of a four-noded quadrilateral, setting up the coordinate system, and step by step deriving the bilinear shape function. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or a practicing engineer, this tutorial will give you a clear and visual understanding of how these shape functions are formed and how they work. Let's start. So first of all, I will draw the Q4 element. So this quadrilateral has the length of 2a and height 2b. For the ease of calculation, we'll take the center node at the center of the quadrilateral. So this is the origin, uh, and we'll consider the node number in anti-clockwise direction. This one is node number 1, this is node 2, this one is node 3, and this one is node 4. So from the length and this origin coordinate, we'll just mark all the coordinate point of these four corner nodes. This one will be minus a minus b, this one is a minus b, third one is ab, and the fourth one is minus a b. These are the four corner node of this quadrilateral. Now we have to derive the shape functions for each of the node at node 1, 2, 3, and 4. So start with node 1. Let's denote the shape function as n1 at node 1. If you know something about shape function, that is okay, but if you forgot how to derive and how you will get the shape function, so you don't have to remember anything to derive the shape function. Just you have to draw this quadrilateral in correct way. Now I will write the shape function for node 1 in such a way that I will take one constant first. uh, just a minute. So I let's take the constant as c1, and for this node 1 I will take the two opposite side lines equations. So what is the equation of this line? This one will be y equal to b, this one is y equal to minus b, this one is x equal to a, and the fourth one, that is x equal to minus a. So for this corner node shape function, I will take the equation of this opposite side, this line and this line, which are not connected to this point. So how I will write this here? So this will be n1 equal to c1 into x minus a into y minus b. So I just written the equation in y minus b equal to 0, x minus a equal to 0, and write down this equation. So for the value of this constant c1, I have to give some condition. So what is the condition? The n1 value at node 1 will be 1. So how I will write this? So the value will be 1 c1 at node 1. What is the value of x and y? That is minus a minus b. So this one will be minus a and minus b minus b. So from here I can get that c1 equal to 1 by 4ab. So I have derived the first shape function of this Q4 element. So what is this? The n1 is 1 by 4ab into x minus a y minus b. So this one is the shape function of Q4 element in node 1. So this is the first shape function. So in similar way, I have to calculate the shape function at node 2, 3 and 4. So for node 2, I will simply write that the n2 equal to some constant c2. Just go to the diagram. N2 at this node. So this node is just opposite to this side and this side. So I will take the equations of these two lines. That is y minus b and x plus a. So this one will be x plus a and y. Sorry for the glitch. So x plus a and y minus b. So similarly, I will calculate the value of this C2, that is the n2 value at node 2 will be 1. So 1 equal to C2. And what is the coordinate of node 2? That is A minus B. So the x coordinate is A. So that will be A plus A and minus B minus B. So the value of C2 is minus 1 by 4AB. So in that way, I will write the value of the shape function into is minus 1 by 4ab x plus a y minus b, and I will just take this minus inside, so it will be 1 by 4ab x plus a b minus y. So this way I have derived the shape functions for the node 2. This is the second shape function. In the similar way, I will do for n3 and n4. So just quickly I will do that. So in 3, that is the node 3, and the coordinate of that node is AB, and the opposite sides are x equal to minus a and y equal to minus b. So for n3, I will take the constant as c3, and the equation of those lines are x plus a, y plus b. And similarly, I will calculate the value of c3 unknown at node 3. The node at node 3, the shape function value will be 1. So 1 equal to c3. X is a and y is b at node 3. So this is the value of c3. It came 1 by 4ab. So I got n3 equal to 1 by 4ab x plus a, y plus b, or b plus y. So this is the third shape function. And now come to the last fourth one. So fourth one, I will just take n4 equal to c4, and what are the equations opposite to node 4? That is x equal to a and y equal to minus b. So I will write here x equal to a means x minus a, and y equal to minus b means y plus b. So at node 4, the n4 value will be 1, 1 equal to c4. The coordinate of node 4 is minus a, b. So this one will be minus a and b plus b. So the c4 value is minus 1 by 4ab. So n4 equal to minus 1 by 4ab x minus a, y plus b. So I will take this minus inside and will get n4 equal to 1 by 4ab a minus x and y plus b. So this is the way I have calculated all the 4 shape functions for Q4 elements. So just rewrite those here. First of all, we got n1 is a minus x b minus y divided by 4ab. n2 is a plus x b minus y divided by 4ab. n3 is a plus x into b plus y divided by 4ab. And the final one, n4, is a minus x b plus y divided by 4ab. So these are the 4 shape functions for Q4 element. So in the next video, we'll come with the T6 element, how we'll get the shape functions for those,